Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
And you guys already know what time it is.
Slime
Session
Fridays.
So we're about to get started. Can you tell us what's in the princess box?
I do like this.
So let's see what's in here. So what do we have?
So we have these. Get a close look.
A close up. Yeah, put it down a little bit.
So this is confetti, but flower confetti.
Yep. So 60 pieces in here, you guys. We're gonna put this in the slime. Show them what glitter we're using.
First out with this color.
So gold, pink, and green, you guys. So let's get started.
Okay,
Guys, we're gonna add
the flour.
No, not yet. We're gonna add the detergent. Or let's add flour. Go ahead. Put the confetti in there.
I'm gonna start mixing before we do that. Ooh, this is so pretty. It's not hard to mix. Wow, look at it. It don't look like soup, it looks like flowers. This looks like cake.
Alright, let's add the activator.
Yeah, this feels gross and cold.
Hey you guys, can you put on the tape so we can see it? This is what it looked like. This is how it turned out.
I wish we could make extra glitter slime with a whole bunch of glitter.
You can do that one day.
Okay, I'm gonna make a real bell.
Okay, can you stretch it out so we can see what the confetti look like in the inside? So what you gonna name this one?
The flower princess.
So she named this one Flower Princess, you guys. Let's see a little. Let's wait. Let's get up close. See the flower. Ooh, you guys, look at that. Awesome.
Look at this
Okay,
flower.
you come too close.
Look at this flower. It's sticking the slime. Guys, this not even sticking. This like our other slime did on that
Yes,
video.
it's not sticking to the
Okay, I'm about to make a
table.
real bubble. I'm gonna make a real bubble. It's gonna be biggest.
Let us go. She about to make a big bubble, you guys. Ooh. A little bubble.
Can I make one more?
Go ahead.
Can I make a big one?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, put it on the table. Look at that hand work, you guys. Look at PuffGirl.Nylia hand work.
Why do I do this way?
And that's the bubble right there. She nailed it.
And oh, you failed it.
Oh, make sure you guys
Like.
and
Guys, see that bubble?
make sure you guys like and subscribe. And you
Yeah.
can comment down below.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so silly.
You're so silly. You gonna say bye?
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.